Welcome back. We're continuing the news. In this evening's health report, Jamaica Pullen looks at perimenopause.
Perimenopause is a transitional phase leading up to menopause. This typically starts when a woman is in her 40s, but can begin from the mid-30s. During this time, hormone levels fluctuate, causing physical and emotional changes. Medical doctor Ivana Thomas-Carr, who specializes in women's health, says she's seeing more young women in their early 30s experiencing perimenopause. She says stress can be a significant factor.
So we're working, we're in school, we're running a family. So we're doing so many full-time jobs. Being a mom or a wife, full-time job. And then working outside the home, full-time job. Very high stress environment where you're pushed, you have to function at full capacity. You've got to be on your A game, so to speak. So it creates a lot of stress. And that stress in turn on your body leads to inflammation and then leads to hormonal imbalance. And any one of your hormones that's out of whack or out of balance can create multiple symptoms, which we can go over and cause major problems.
This transitional period can also increase the risk for other medical conditions like diabetes.
And then the other things that we have to look at your cholesterol levels and your triglycerides, because those are starting to go up as well. Because our hormones, especially estrogen, is what we call, it's cardioprotective. So when you're young, it protects you from, more heart disease, your cholesterol going up. When it starts to fluctuate, you find that your cholesterol start to inch up more. Your blood pressure can also start to get a little bit higher as well. You're more not risk for fractures.
Dr. Thomas-Carr says perimenopause is a natural transition in a woman's life, and so there is no treatment to stop it.
Managing your stress. Number 2, your diet. Very, very important. Number 3, exercise, very important. And then replacement, your hormone, whatever it is that is deficient. That's why I just don't like, okay, I need to give you this. I need to see what your hormones are doing. So if you're having hot flashes, or if you're having the mood spectrums, if your joints are aching, your cholesterol is going, whatever it is, we need to see what is happening first before we can come up with a proper treatment plan.
With your health report, I'm Jamaica Pullen, wishing you good health.